Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to make the very best cornbread that you have ever had in your life. Please buckle up. I'm about to take your taste buds for a ride. Maybe it's more like your mental taste buds, since you won't be actually tasting this. Well, unless you make it. So the first thing you're going to do is add equal parts flour and cornmeal into a sifter. Equal parts flour and cornmeal tend to produce the very best result. Then add your sugar and sift it like you mean it. For the leavening agent, we're going to use baking powder. Now it's time to add in your spices. We're going to start off with some nutmeg, then we're going to throw in a dash of cinnamon. Now it's all about adding your salt and then whisking it to ensure that all of your dry ingredients are well incorporated. Now it's time to combine your wet ingredients. So we're going to start off with an egg, and then we're going to add our evaporated milk. Now evaporated milk adds a richness to your cornbread like no other. Once that is done, we're going to use oil instead of butter to create that moisture and then whip all of these ingredients together. So it's time to add the wet stuff into the dry stuff. Then it's time for a whisk again. We're going to whisk it, but we're not going to overbeat the mixture. We just want to ensure that all of the ingredients nicely incorporates into one another till we have a yummy, almost pancake-like consistency. Yes, so now we are going to get that lovely batter into your pan. Yeah, do not leave a drop behind. Just give it a nice little shake and let it sit on your counter for about 5 minutes before we pop that bad girl into the oven. And just like that, time is up. Okay. Just like that, folks, we have a wrap. All I'm asking you to do is smash that like button and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.